Hi, I am Romel Romelo Jr, 23 years old. I started playing Sepak Takraw since I was high school second year. And up until now, I still play Sepak Takraw.
May aga sa tanan. My name is Arvy Bersales, 22 years old. Nag-start ko hampang Sepak Takraw, second year high school. Then until now, nag-graduate na ko. I'm still playing Sepak Takraw.
Hi, ako gali si M Gulmatico Jr, 22 years old. I start playing Sepak Takraw during my second year high school in Sagay National High School, Asta Subong. Then, I am a former Sepak Takraw varsity player in Nonescost.
I discovered playing Sepak Takraw when I was first year high school. There was a friend named MALAY. Member siya sa isang association which is Escalante Sepak Takraw Association. He invited me, so gin-grab ko ang opportunity.
Nakasugod ko hampang Sepak Takraw. Hanggang nag-discovery, nagpahampang sa akon si Sir Adonis Soliano sa Sagay National High School. Then hasta nag-college ko, former varsity ko dire. Amo to nga nakabulig sa akong Sepak Takraw sa akong pag-eskwela.
I discovered Sepak Takraw, it's because of my teacher, Sir Adonis Soliano. He convinced me to play Sepak Takraw because I have potential on that sports.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
So in playing Sepak Takraw, we have to consider all the proper etiquettes of the game. So first, wear proper sports attire, and we don't have to forget also to stretch our bodies. And right before the game, we have to pray.
Siguro the most memorable experience ko sa Sepak Takraw is the bonding time with the Sepak Takraw family outside and inside the game.
So, ang pinaka-most memorable memories nga nano ko sa for being a varsity player is when we are going or we're on a trip going sa schools nga makumpit kami is on the trip nga parang mga banding namon, having jokes. That is the way to build our bonds on each other for the team to work.
We are the former Sepak Takraw varsities of Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology, encouraging you to play Sepak Takraw.